first going to be installing the Carplay kit. So just plug it into your USB port. That's it. And it's red. Once it's connected, it will turn blue. So once you have that plug in, take your USB with the APK file that you needed to download. Just plug that in. And now you go into your head unit and go find the file. Oops. And then it'll be called AutoKit APK. Just click on that. It's gonna install. App install. Click done. Alright. So once you do that, I'm just gonna move this to my home screen. Start the auto kit. Allow. And once you connect it, your Carplay should automatically connect. So here's my Carplay connected wirelessly. So as you can see here, connected wirelessly. No USB. Blue LED means connected. So just to compare, there is a bit of lag between this one and my I have a 2018 CRV, and the one that is built into that one. This one is a bit not as smooth. There's a bit of lag in the way how it moves. Also, what I noticed is that when you play music through the YouTube app, there is a bit of lag between the audio and the music video itself that's playing. So if that doesn't bother you, as long as you get your music out, then that's totally fine. But yeah, besides that, wireless CarPlay works.